I just received a sample of this beautiful comforter set, and it comes with the comforter itself. The comforter has a cotton exterior and polyester interior, so it's great for people that have allergies to like feathers. And then it also came with two pillowcases, and the material is very nice and soft. The pillowcases are cotton as well, and it's very comfortable. This blanket, I would say it's about a medium in heaviness, and it doesn't make me sweat like some other blankets do. So on the other side, this is what it looks like. This is the inside, and this is the outside, and this is a very soft cotton over here. Overall, I think this is a great product, and I highly recommend it.